Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for Chiliz or CHC. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. First key level we notice is our swing high here, so we can plot that on the chart as it is obvious to spot and we see multiple reactions to the level. Now right here we see another key level and we're going to plot this in as a zone. So we see reactions as support and resistance. Now, our next level is our monthly swing low here, where we see price came down, hit, and reversed. Now, hopping to the weekly. Here on the weekly chart, what do we see? We notice a key level right here. We see price came up, hit, and reversed drastically, acting as resistance. Now we also see a small reaction as support before price broke right through. We also see reactions to the level here, acting as support. We can also plot in our weekly swing high here and look at our monthly level here. Notice all the candles reacting to the same key level. We also have a weekly level just above. Now, we also notice a weekly level here, where price came down, reacted as support multiple times. So, looking at our chart here, these are all of our key levels plotted. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.